So we started doing that, and then we ran into other problems. The other problems were, number one, especially in this lake right here, we found out we had some unstable shorelines. As much as we tried to grade these shorelines and fill them, and the fill would just, overnight, would just slough down back into the lake. And so Sally, as president of the organization, just called a halt. We can't keep putting dirt in lakes because these are stormwater basins, and they have to function as a stormwater basin. They have to have a certain volume. I mean, all these things have to be weighed, you know, when you're doing something like this. So we stopped and we sat down with our contractor, and we said, you know, what do we have to do, you know, to stabilize these shorelines? And he said, well, when we were doing Lake 2 up here, we had some fill which was a little high in rock, which we put anyhow. You know, those shorelines up there stabilized. So we came up with that, well, why don't we put rock along the bottom of down in the lake, not a riprap, but a rock down in the lake bottom that we can put the fill up against and hold it in the lake. And we started doing that. It was very successful. These shorelines over here, over there, and actually right along here too, we were able to stabilize them almost immediately and quit having to put fill in and then create this little shelf out there. So we were able to achieve both goals with that. And that was one of the more difficult things I think we had to do from a strictly mechanical point of view.
Mechanical and cost.
Mechanical.
Bringing in what we call tow rocks, which are huge boulders, and pounding them in was an expense, but it's been amazingly successful. And there's no riprap. And the county had never heard of this approach before, but they have been tremendously supportive. I mean, you've been fabulous. You were helping right from the get-go on what plants to plant, what, you know, how to do this, what mixture we should try. And I have to say that even South Florida Water Management District, they've all been extremely supportive, very much whatever help they could give us, they've given us.